Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show how you can enable Siri on your iPhone on latest iOS like 18.1. So if you want to enable the Siri, so you want to go just settings, then you just scroll down and here in showing Siri. Then there in showing many options. First of all, language. You can select which language you want to use. They are in showing some language. Then you just tap here like enable this button. Then you just check which one you want to use like Siri or Hey Siri, and this one only Hey Siri. Then you just continue and I don't say anything, you just follow what I do. Okay, just say set up Siri. All right, now Siri is ready. Then also you can use some configure as you want. So that's it. The Siri is the enable right now.